Hey everyone, it's me Pieps, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make tissue paper roses. You will need 3 items: hair ties, tissue paper, and scissors. Let's get to it. Now let's get our tissue paper, and I like to get 5 of these squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Afterwards, I like to fold my tissue paper, usually 2 times, so 1, 2. I cut it in half, like so. So now we have 2 pieces of tissue paper. Put one aside, and we unfurl our tissue. So I like having the smooth side of the paper on for the outside, and then the rough one is where we'll fold on. That would be on the inside of the flower. So first things first, what you're going to do is make a little triangle, leaving an allowance at the edge. I also fold a little crease on this part, also roughly the same length or width rather of the under edge. Afterwards, we're going to crimp it. So it's fold and pinch. See that? And then we fold and pinch. We fold and pinch. We fold and pinch. This is the start of our rose. Next part, which is important for using tissue paper, is that you fold the upper edge to continue the line. You fold the upper edge also about like 1 or 2 centimeters. Fold it continuously. Once that's done, we continue the crimp process. Fold and pinch, fold and pinch. Now that we are done, we're going to start rolling it from the end, just loosely rolling it so that we can start our base for the rose. I'm just gently rolling it. So that's the base already. Doesn't look like much yet. Then you can just adjust it as is. From the side, looks like a little budding rose. Next part we're going to do is the other half. Same process as we did earlier. Now that we're finished with our second part, we'll just continue where we left off, folding it, and then we roll again, just loosely rolling it so that we can make it fluffy. And then at the end, we're going to pinch so that it has the shape of a rose. And there you have it. Now how do we put it on, or how do we hold it in place? We have our clear elastic bands, which we are going to use, and we are going to wrap it over the end. And there you have it, our own tissue paper rose. Kindly give a follow and a like if you like content like this. Happy crafting! Whee!